What is going on? Welcome to today's video, you guys. In this video, we're going to be showing you what you need to do if you have a 48-volt battery upgrade and you experience what I have been experiencing on this cart, this new cart that we're building currently. Bad wheel hop, very bad wheel hop. It has a little bit of it. A little bit of the issue is probably low tire pressure, not enough PSI, but also it's because we do not have this Taxi Garage torque motor plate bracket. So we're gonna go ahead and install this thing, see how much of a pain in the butt it is. It looks pretty simple. I mean, it's 2 bolts, so I just need to figure out which side it goes on, talk to the guys over at Taxi Garage, and then we'll go ahead and start installing this thing. So hopefully this fixes our issues and it's not something else, but we're gonna go ahead and get this thing installed. So it's what we need to do first. So we're gonna pull these 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, which I stripped the crap out of, so that's gonna be a pain. And then this thing needs to be cleaned. Then we gotta remove this tensioner. We're gonna leave the motor out. Taxi Garage didn't leave the motor out, they just went ahead and did it, but I feel like it's gonna be 10 times easier if I just have the motor out to get a drill in here. So we're gonna drop the motor real quick. We need to pull this metal wiring back. And then, yeah, we need to pull this tensioner off. So let's go ahead and figure out what size this is and get to removing this motor. Oh, that's an issue. These babies are stripped. Well, we had to use a hammer to smash the head down and then beat our Allen head key in there. So, recommendation: don't use Allen heads on motor mounts. Just a thought. Zoom out a little bit so you guys aren't going in and out of focus. Motor should be falling at any second. Down she goes. Alright. So we're just gonna go ahead and take the chain off, set the motor right here. Clip this without clipping the wire. Now she's free. If it would just... There we go. That's more like it. Pop that off and bam. Comes out real nice and easy. Looks like this tensioner is still in good condition, so should be good. We do need to clean this up though, so we're gonna go and wipe this thing down real quick. Alright, so oops. Pop open. We're gonna be starting our hole out with a 5/64. You guys see that? 5/64 right here. Just pop this sucker out. Is that 2? We have 2 5/64. Why? That's just Milwaukee trying to rip you off. So let's see. It's like right there. Okay. Oh man. This is gonna prove to be a bit of a challenge. There's our hole. She ain't the prettiest hole. Hole is right there. Okay, now we're second drill bit, 3/32. So let's get this on and get this over with, because this sucks. She ain't the prettiest hole, but she'll do. Alright. We went ahead and cleaned up our tensioner. Made that sucker look brand new. So, yeah. Alright. Where did I put the bolt? Okay, the nut fell somewhere. Oh, here's the nut. This side goes in. Just like that. Aha. Wow, yeah, that is much tighter tension. Alright. Twist this back. You guys see what I'm doing here? Yep. Throw this nut back on and tighten her up. This thing should run so much smoother now, I hope. It sounds, I feel like it'll be a lot less chain smack. That'll be nice, because this thing sounds like a freaking horse and wagon when you're going down the road. This thing sounds like such a hoopty compared to the XL, which I don't think it's going to sound like as good as the XL. Because, you know, the XL is a 1,000-watt motor. And it just sounds like a freaking jet. Whereas this thing just sounds like it's dying a terrible death. Okay, let's tighten this up. Okay. Now to the motor. Alright, so now to the motor. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to go to the wire side. It goes just like that. First, we need to take the nuts off of this. So just unscrew that like so. Okay. Same for this side. I think we might have some more of these that we can utilize. They'll look a lot cleaner, so we'll go out to the van and see if these fit. Actually, might be in here. Alright, so it goes just like this. Shove it under. It's kind of a doozy to get on there. Huh. This motor setup different? This thing does not want to go on. Oh no. It goes on. Alright, but we're messing up already. You gotta take this engine wire. Let's see if we can get some slack. Let's pull this all the way through. Come on. What's that? Okay. So, take this wire, tuck it up. This is a kind of a tight squeeze. And just make it work. Okay, now I'm starting to like this motor bracket. Oh, she's going together how she should. You guys see the struggle I am encountering. Alright, we got the bolts all tight. We went ahead and removed that ugly metal piece of caca because I would rather have my engine wire break than have to have that thing on this cart. So yeah, got rid of that, thankfully. And now we're just routing wires. I gotta get the chain back on, and I might have messed that part up, because now I think I'm gonna have to take the wheel off. Because I do not think, oh no. Oh man. That's an issue. Gosh dang it. Crap. Tensioner's above the engine. Yeah. Oh. I have to drop the engine. Yeah, we're definitely gonna have to drop the engine. Gosh dang it. Alright, let's see if we can just do this with only removing some of the bolts. There we go. Oh, my legs hurt. Go back into place. Go back into place. Don't be a dirtbag. Whoa, that is a spider. That thing's gross. I think we have this thing too tight. Oh no, the chain fell off. Can we drive it back on? Yep. Oh yeah, that's nice. No play at all. That's what we like to see. Alright, let's just pop these bolts back in. Oh, crap. Now it's not going to let us bring the motor up. That's how tight it is. Alright, we got some longer bolts now. Go, Penny. Go inside. Go inside. Good dog. Go inside. Go inside. From what I saw, it looks like it is going to be a butthole. Let's see, can you guys see? Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's lower you guys a little bit. Okay. So, just under here, there's this bottom of the bolt. And there's a spider. That's my buddy. His name's Jacoby. I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten this bolt. The spider's kind of ugly. You know, he's coming straight from my finger. Finger tight. But if you're pro, you get that on there like it's nothing. If you work on BMWs, this shouldn't be a problem for you. Okay, good enough. Kind of want it a little more tucked this time. I'll just check out to see what it takes to do a full turn.
Go wheel hop.
Maybe if I let out some air pressure? Oh, my shin hurts. I got a flat. No. I got a flat tire. Darn. Alright, well there you have it. This thing does not work in snow without it not be tired. It's freezing out here. No more wheel hop though. We did just pop the tube. You know, oh well. But we're gonna go inside. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.